Welcome to a land where stories unfold in every moment. A civilization that has flourished for over 5,000 years. India is a place where the past meets the present seamlessly. It's a country that wears its diversity as a proud badge. From snow-covered peaks to golden deserts, the landscapes inspire awe. Its people reflect a mosaic of traditions, languages, and beliefs. India is more than just a geographical entity. It's an emotion. The symphony of unity and diversity thrives in its every heartbeat. Every sunrise illuminates a new chapter in this vibrant story. India's cities hum with life. Its villages echo with serenity. The aroma of spices mingles with the sound of temple bells. Markets overflow with vibrant textiles, fresh produce, and handmade treasures. Here, traditions are passed down like precious heirlooms through generations. Festivals are not just celebrated but experienced with boundless enthusiasm. Every street, every home carries a story waiting to be told. India's linguistic richness is a true marvel of the modern world. It is home to 22 official languages recognized by its constitution. But that's just the beginning. There are over 19,500 dialects spoken. Every language represents the history and identity of its speakers. Tamil, one of the oldest languages, has a literary tradition unparalleled. Punjabi reverberates with rhythm, reflecting the energy of its people. Hindi serves as a bridge, connecting millions across the nation's heart. In Kerala, classrooms resonate with Malayalam. In Bengal, Bengali flourishes. Languages are woven into daily life, from markets to village gatherings. Even a small town might boast a dozen distinct linguistic identities. The richness of India's languages is celebrated in literature and arts. Local tales, folk songs, and proverbs preserve knowledge and wisdom. This tapestry of languages unites the country in its shared diversity. India's spiritual legacy is one of its most defining characteristics. It's the birthplace of Hinduism, Buddhism, Jainism, and Sikhism alike. Religions like Islam, Christianity, Zoroastrianism, and Judaism also flourish. In India, faith isn't confined to belief systems, it's a lifestyle. The sacred ghats of Varanasi see prayers offered at sunrise. The Golden Temple in Amritsar serves meals to thousands every day. Mosques echo with the call to prayer, uniting the faithful in harmony. Churches in Goa light up during Christmas with grand celebrations. Each faith has shaped the cultural and architectural landscape of India. Diwali brings lights and joy, while Eid fosters community and generosity. Holi adds vibrant colors to life, symbolizing renewal and unity. The serene chants of Buddhist monasteries in Ladakh inspire reflection. Festivals and rituals show that diversity and harmony go hand in hand. Indian attire is as diverse and intricate as its culture itself. Each state has its signature fabrics, styles, and patterns of dress. A Banarasi sari tells a story of exquisite craftsmanship and elegance. The red lehenga of a bride symbolizes love, celebration, and tradition. Men in sherwanis exude regal charm during weddings and special occasions. Himachali shawls keep mountain people warm with their vibrant designs. In Tamil Nadu, Kanjivaram saris shine with golden zari embroidery. Fulkari from Punjab adds bursts of color and joy to clothing. Manipuri brides wear potloi, elaborate traditional attire with deep symbolism. Even in everyday life, India's clothing reflects its rich identity. From casual kurtas to ornate saris, every piece carries meaning. Textile weaving, dyeing, and embroidery are age-old traditions that thrive today. Dance and music are more than art forms, they are India's lifeblood. Each state has its unique rhythm, beat, and expressive movement. Bharatanatyam tells stories of gods through precise gestures and expressions. Kathak spins tales of devotion with intricate footwork and grace. Bhangra energizes festivals with its dynamic moves and joyous spirit. Folk songs preserve regional history and connect people to their roots. Bowl singers in Bengal strum ektaras, sharing stories of mysticism and life. The beats of dhols echo through Punjabi wedding celebrations vibrantly. Hindustani and Carnatic music captivate audiences with their rich depth. Bollywood, a global phenomenon, draws from classical and folk influences. Dance and music accompany every festival, wedding and village gathering. The soul of India thrives in every melody, rhythm and beat. Festivals in India are celebrations that transcend time and place. Diwali illuminates homes with lights, symbolizing the victory of good. Holi showers the streets with colors, fostering unity and new beginnings. Eid brings communities together through feasts and shared prayers of peace. Navratri energizes nights with Garba dances and devotion to the goddess. Onam showcases Kerala's harvest festivals with grand feasts and boat races. Makar Sankranti fills the sky with kites of every size and color. Durga Puja in Bengal celebrates the goddess with unmatched enthusiasm. Each festival brings together food, music, dance, and heartfelt emotions. Traditions are preserved while being embraced by new generations joyfully. Festivals reflect India's diversity while strengthening its cultural unity. Food in India is more than sustenance. It's a cultural experience. Each region has its own specialties, showcasing the country's diversity. North India offers rich curries, buttery naans, and flavorful biryanis. South India delights with sambars, dosas, and coconut-infused curries. East India tempts with fish curries and sweet treats like rasgullas. The West is known for its spicy snacks and elaborate thalis. Street food like chaat, pani puri, and samosas add bursts of flavor. Cooking is considered an art form, passed down through generations. Traditional clay ovens bake fresh rotis, filling homes with aroma. Kerala's fishermen bring in fresh seafood for coastal delicacies. Every meal in India is prepared with love and shared generously. India's artisans are the guardians of its ancient creative traditions. Pashmina shawls are woven with care, each thread a work of art. Madhubani paintings reflect folklore and nature in vibrant colors. Tribal jewelry and wooden toys preserve cultural heritage beautifully. Banarasi saris and Kanjivaram silks are handwoven with unmatched skill. Potters shape clay, and metalworkers craft intricate designs into jewelry. Craft fairs and markets showcase the dedication of India's artisans. Every piece tells a story of tradition, innovation, and craftsmanship. India's monuments stand as timeless witnesses to its glorious history. The Taj Mahal symbolizes eternal love, admired worldwide for its beauty. Rajasthan's forts echo with tales of valor and royal splendor. Ajanta and Ellora caves showcase rock-cut artistry from ancient times. Khajuraho temples depict intricate carvings that celebrate life and devotion. The Qutub Minar rises tall, narrating Delhi's medieval architectural legacy. Every structure represents an era, a dynasty, or a timeless story. India is an experience that cannot be captured in mere words. It is a land of contrasts, unity, and endless inspiration. Every street corner holds a piece of history and wonder. Join this journey through the incredible, unforgettable spirit of India. Subscribe for more stories that celebrate the world's beauty and culture.